Now let's take a look at saving out takes. So once you've created some variation with your different takes, you may want to separate that out. So once you get a good combination that you like, you've gone in and picked the right edge hardness, the right colors and things like that, you can actually separate that out from your file. So here we have all of these takes located within a single Cinema 4D file, which is great for us. We can go through and change what take we're looking at, and that modifies different elements of our scene. So what if we want to separate that out into its own file? Well, one thing we can do is just to select the particular take. We'll go to File, and what we can do is we can save a current take, which is what we have, to a new document. So if we do that, it's going to create a new file, and you can see we actually have that file open already. If we go to Window, you can see this is the file that we had before we hit that, and now it's appended this counter edge, the name of the take, it's appended it to the end of the file. And you can see also that the only take that we have in here is that counter edge. So now we've eliminated all those other takes, and this is what we're working with now. We can go from here. All right, if we jump back to our scene, you can see here all of our other takes. Okay, we can also mark particular takes. So if we just wanted maybe these 3 takes, we can go to File, and we can save marked takes with assets. Navigate to our project files, and I'll just call this bathroom. We'll save it. Now let's take a look at what files that's saved. So I'll open up the project files here, and you can see it appended that bathroom name onto the front, and then we've got the name of the take after that. So if we come in here, you can see there's a Cinema 4D file for each of those. So really it did the same thing that we did before, but it did it for all the takes that we have marked. Okay, you can do the exact same thing with all the takes. So instead of having to go in and mark all of your takes individually, you can say, I just want to save all the takes separately with the assets. And so that'll do that here. So you can save your current take to a new scene file, so basically pulling it out of your existing scene file. You can mark takes in order to save those, and you can just create a naming convention and it'll automatically create those. And then you can also just save all of your takes very quickly just by hitting this button, and that'll let you, once you've got your decision made on those different things that you want to change, that'll let you save those out. All right, that's going to bring us to the end of this module. In the next module, we'll go ahead and continue on by looking at some different aspects like rendering out takes, setting up variable path names, and things like that. So go ahead and do that next.